Hey, what's up beautiful people of editing world. Today we are going to asa presets like Jhonny Edlind. These are some sample pictures. Click on light icon. Make exposure to -56. Contrast to 30. Highlights to -52. And shadows to 29. Now make whites to -69. Make black -28. Now go to curve, and follow the steps. Click Done. Now select color icon. Make temp to -16. Tint to -8. Vibrance to -23. And saturation to -27. Click on Mix. Select red and make saturation -31. Luminance to 18. Now select orange and make saturation to -12. Luminance to 28. Okay, now follow the steps. Now select effects and make texture to 20. Clarity to 47. Dehaze to -11. Grain to 6. Now make sharpening to 10. Now copy the settings. Okay, that's for today. Meet you in the next one. Bye.